Did a nigga nugget dookie dirty. You let a nigga itsy bitsy spider, you let a nigga twinkle twinkle little, you let a nigga your brain pointy. You let a nigga sign language your follicle. You let a nigga Hadouken. Oh my, he clapped your cerebrum. It sound like horse hooves. You let a nigga oil up your patty and beat it. And he's sharpening the lock him up. I'm not gonna keep playing these. Just let Buttercup Mojo Jojo your shit. You let a nigga jiggle your cranial nerves. And you just sitting there. You let a nigga shave your quills. You let a nigga, oh, they nipped you. The nigga nipped you, that's a nerve, you're done. Just clipped off the nerve that's attached to your bowel movements. My nigga, you about to have a leaky cheek. And you don't even care, your shit just gonna be running. I told you to look down and Forrest Gump your anus. And you don't even care. You gotta knock him out, cause you let concrete hands convince